Welcome to Sheer Inspirations, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to plant divisions of Anise Hyssop. This is a wonderful cut flower that is fragrant. A word of caution here, if you don't like the smell of black licorice, you're probably not going to enjoy it. However, if you are like me and love flowers that are fragrant, you would love it. This is also a great pollinator magnet, and it has purplish spiky flowers. To me, it kind of resembles blazing star, or also called gay feathers. With those are grown with bulbs. This is grown via divisions. This is my first time planting. I have seen a whole lot of folks growing this as a medicinal herb. I am personally growing it for two reasons. I'm growing it for the pollinator magnet as well as cut flowers, because I plan on having this, leaving some flowers on there and then cutting about 75 to 80% of the harvest for bouquets. And this is my lovely auger bed. I always use this. The link to purchase the auger is in the description box below. Also, there is a Facebook group. If you like to join, you will get a lot of updates and what I'm doing in the garden and photos and whatnot. Feel free to join that. And without further ado, here is our root ball. This does not have a taproot, and smelling it smells very similar to black licorice. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead. The ground is already moist. I have dug up my my hole with this auger, and trust me, this is a wonderful tool if you are like me and you're constantly planting things. Here we go. I haven't seen this in big box stores. Feel free to tell me if you have. This was sent to me from a plant trade. I was actually searching for this, and if you're wondering how plant trades work, it's basically plants that you have that you would like to trade for something that you don't have, and folks who do, you post what you have, and folks who do have what you're looking for will come on your post and say that they've got it and they would like to make a trade, and in a personal message you exchange your addresses, and the plants are sent via first class mail in a bubble wrapper. I have never had a plant die sent in bubble wrappers. A lot of folks say that they receive half dead plants. Again, if it's packed well, that's the most economical way I have found to share plants with my plant friends across the country. And here we have our label. I'm going to go ahead and label this. We are now in December, and I'm hoping that come spring it does show some signs of growth. And I do have where it came from. It came from Missouri, so now it's in a much warmer place. I've noticed that plants adapt very well no matter where they're coming from. Most of my garden is flown in in plant exchanges from the East Coast, and the plants have adapted very well for the conditions here. Someone would say, oh, you know, humidity level, rain, the water is provided. Of course, I water the garden, but I have not seen anything struggle with humidity so far. I'm wanting to make a series of perennials and annuals to share with you what grows at what time of the year. So if you only want to grow perennials, that would be something that would be very helpful. So, and to me, I found the best way to exchange plants is via mail with friends who are located elsewhere, and I share, say, my canna rhizomes or my hollyhocks. And this was the video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. And if you would like me to make a video about a plant or herb that you find great in cut flower arrangements, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.